As we were rescuing dogs from the dog meat trade, it necessitated for us to have a rescue center. Right now, we have this facility located in the central part of Luzon in the Philippines called Capas Tarlac. It's a 2-hectare facility. It's a mango orchard facility, and we operate over 39 open kennel facility where we bring in rescues from the dog meat trade or any cases of maltreatment, cruelty, and neglect. From there, we really take serious effort to rehabilitate these dogs medically, and of course physically, and of course socially. Our real objective here in rehabilitating this dog is to make sure that they find a new home, a real chance to have their own family. When we were starting on animal welfare in the Philippines, the concept of animal welfare is non-existing. While there may have been some regulations passed during that time, the public doesn't know animal welfare. But then right now, there's this improvement. There's this growing consciousness on animal welfare. Hence, this is the right moment for us to really put a stop to the dog meat trade in the country.